Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MP ka Lok Sabha Katura West Garo Hills District Saleng Sangma habayo banyakren ha kabayade bat ka Chief Minister's Tour ha Garo Hills uloong ba kalong kabade e ba mentri rang ba ka jala ba Jingshimkhia ka Senjam ban Jngoh ya karilom Garo uloong ba knang ba unla ban snotho ikijing e jangkipat ba hakitan ha kabayade bat ka roy kapat yo le se kani kan la bande tang nakadaw kajing yo anam ne ka basupan I tang ka perthai klem ladon ka jing thmu ba shisha kani ka de ka bakla henry lada de ba ule nakvanta ka jing bha upat ba kan bha shibun e laong saleng shu uloong ba sans nem min shwa umintri rang ba da kham don kum kani ka jing e de hap reng ki pat ba kham tam bat ki jat bin riu garu kum ha ki ni kisni ki ba menta bat kalong ka babha e bawla pen I ya ka jing kala ha ka jing phai khmat shakipat ba karilum Garo ulaban rap ru da ka baong ba yo le se kani ka jing le men le jong Conrad kala bande ba udon ka e shalendet lani yo le se hadin habot ba ondaw lahiar shuki yo don ka jing ma ba yo ki pat ba kinse ya ki jing le bakla ni kinu ki kam ki ba la shutap ek new.
It's a good on the part of the CM to go every now and then so that he will know the issues of people pertaining to any kind of development that is happening within the state. But if he is doing only for the sake of creating the content or maybe just to, influence by creating this contentious idea, it is wrong on the part. If he is seriously doing for the people, then it's fine, it's good. But as you rightly said, last 5 years, he never used to get connected with these people, with our people, the way he's having this connection nowadays. It's good that he's changing a little pattern. Either whether he is really concerned for the people or maybe he's trying to safeguard to protect whatever the illegalities that is happening within the state or to, hide whatever that is being, the wrong that has been done. I don't know. Because once he will get out from the chair, everything, whichever wrong that they have done might be exposed. Maybe he's scared. Maybe out of fear, he's going down to the people. Not for the love of people. Because last 5 years, as you said, he never went like the way he's going right now. So maybe out of fear only. CM Connect is a good program actually. No doubt. It's a very, very good program. But in fact, it was supposed to give more development and come closer to the people. And then once they connect with the people, he should know the, whichever, the irregularities and then all the development which is not taking place could have been vigilantly, seen by the people. I mean, by the CM himself. But whether after that particular CM Connect, whether he's addressing the whatever people are placing before him seriously or not, we have not get back the result. We have not got back the result also. Okay, I don't know. You see, all the grievances made by the people in front of the CM, whether that has been addressed seriously or not, till now we have not seen. Last few days back, when he was going to Purakasya to attend one conference, on the way he was talking to one of the villages regarding the JJM. But at the end, he floundered out actually by saying that people floundered out that instead of giving development, you should not have give this particular JJM to us. It was awkward on his part to ask the people in that day. And then moreover, I could see even in Adokre area also, when he was asking about the JJM, he said that the work is already completed, but when people were complaining about water is not there and the tank was not fully done, but he said that since he has already, the government has already handed over to the public, it's the public who has to, take over. But it's wrong on the part of any government to give the incompleted work and then hand over to the public. When the incompleted work is been handed over to the public, do you think that particular project will be functional? Not at all. It's a wrong on the part as a chief minister to speak on that line. You see, you should not give up. When the people are complaining, you should listen and make sure that you address that particular issue seriously. Whenever the grievances is brought to the chief minister himself, then what's the use of CM Connect when you're not listening and then addressing seriously? There's a lots of, for example, the road which was already tendered from Adokri to Mangsang area, Rongjeng. Again, it was desanctioned during this last MDA, first MDA. And when he himself was a finance minister in 2008-9, he has desanctioned lots of projects from Garo Hills, lots of road was village road which was connected, which was sanctioned under the Dr. Mukul Sang, under the Didi Lapang. That was desanctioned when he became the finance minister. Not only one, two, many numbers of rural road was desanctioned. Okay. So, when you are trying to explain to the people, you should be altruist. Okay. Stick to the truth. Do not just jibe around actually. Just don't beat around the bush. It's wrong. If you go to the people and then trying to, just to get their influence, just to create the content, it's wrong. That's why CM Connect is very good, but the address seems to be not to the point. I feel sad on the part whoever is coming to the CM Connect and then getting, instead of getting benefit, because CM carries all the weight with him, all the development with him only, finance is with him, planning is with him, all the department is with him. When he goes to any CM Connect, to any villages, to any colony, make sure that he responded to them seriously and address their situation nicely, and then give them whatever the government has given before. Okay? Before, in a sense, for example, whatever the project that was pending should be completed. He is going to the CM Connect even without addressing the sanctioned project. The sanctioned project which was supposed to be completed, yet they have handed over those incomplete project also to the villagers. Then how do you supposed to blame the villagers later on? You should not just go to the people just to fool around. Don't waste time. Even waste time by the government itself, by the government officers also, by the people also. So you should not do like that. There where it is wrong. Otherwise, CM Connect is a good program. I appreciate whatever the CM, the Connect. It was already started during the era of Mukul himself, I think so. That CM Connect, I think so. I could remember.